Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I am going to show you the great Indian monopolies list of companies. So these are companies which have a huge market share in the market, and they are monopoly companies listed in the stock market mostly. So when we say monopoly, I mean nearly monopoly. So the first company in the list is IRCTC. So what we'll be focusing on is more on the product. There will be, you might be familiar with these names, but you may not know what they do and what their product is. Some of them you might be familiar, for example IRCTC. So they have a 100% market share in rail network. So what they do is they have this Indian Railway reservation platform where users can go and book tickets, reserve tickets. So they have buses, they have flights, hotels, holidays, loyalty meals, promotions, and so many other things that they do. So they don't allow any other people to do that. So that's why it's a monopoly share. The number two in my list is CAMS, 65% market share within the mutual fund industry. So CAMS is India's largest mutual fund transfer agency that provides mutual fund services and statements. So companies like Zerodha, they depend on CAMS for their issuing the statements, transfer of mutual funds from one account to other, and all those things. They have an app called My CAMS app. So CAMS is computer age management services. So using this platform, the users can come here and log in with their email and mobile number, and they can see their portfolio. They can sell the mutual funds, transfer the mutual funds, and all those things they can do from this platform, or they can do using this app. So all these services are provided by this company. So hence it's a monopoly in the market right now. The next company in my list is IEX, Indian Energy Exchange. So they have a 92% market share in power trading. So what they do is they allow you to trade power. Just like we have stock market for trading stocks, they have a market for trading energy between states across India. So you normal people won't be able to have membership here. So you need a power trading license and membership here. So once you have that, they can trade energy in this platform. As you can see, a trader's membership. Trader membership entity holds a valid subsisting industry trading license from Central Electricity Regulation Commissions. So once they have that, they can trade power. That is another monopoly company in my list. The next in my list is CDSL. You might have even heard of NDSL. So what this company does is it provides Central Depository Services Limited. It is the first listed Indian securities depository based in Mumbai. So what they do is all the stocks that you hold from various brokers, right? That you purchase from various brokers like Zerodha. These companies manage them and hold these non-material assets, and these holding services have been provided by them. There is one more called NDSL, but that is not currently listed in the market. So in that way, it's a monopoly stock in the market. So they can do many other things, like if you want to pledge a share to for margin, you have to come to the site and do that. If you want to transfer if you want to gift a share to some other person, then you have to authenticate using this platform. So they provide all these things because you have various exchanges, so somebody should be there to manage all these things in the demat account. So you see the number of demats account they manage is very large, so hence is a monopoly again. The next one in my list is MZX, which is 85% market share in commodity trading. So just like we trade energy, this is MDX Commodity Exchange. MCX, Metal and Energy. This is the website. So here you can trade commodities like oil, cotton, silver, rubber, mineral oil, lead, gold. All those commodities you can trade in here. So they provide a market for that. So they also are a monopoly in the market with 85% market share. The other company in the list is Coal India, which is one of the biggest companies of India, one among the biggest companies of India. So they have 80% market share in coal production in India. So what they do is Coal India, they produce coal. They have coal mining companies. They mine coal. So they have many sub companies, but all other coal mining companies are subsidiaries of Coal India company. It's known as a Maharatna company. It's a monopoly company again. The other company is in my list is number 7 in the list is Zydus Wellness. So they have 90% market share in sugar-free products. So if I show various products, you can see these products: Complan, sugar-free, Glucon-D, Sugar-Lite, Evertroth, Sugar-Free D-Lite. All these are from this company, Zydus Wellness. As you can see, in 1988 launched Sugar-Free, India's first zero-calorie sweetener, and they went on to expand their portfolio of products. They have Complan, Sugar-Free, Glucon-D, Sugar-Lite. So they have a 90% market share. The next company in my list is IRFC, which provide financing for Indian Railway. So let me tell you what they do. IRFC's primary role is to provide financing for Indian Railway. So if if the Indian Railways needs to buy a bogie locomotive, what they do is they provide financing for this same by floating bonds, by issuing bonds. So these bonds are available to public. So public purchases these bonds. So if I say IRFC bonds, there are various ways they raise capital. So one of the way is IRFC's bonds. So they issue these bonds, and public come and buy these bonds, and for them, for that they pay interest on these bonds. So they provide financing to Indian Railways, and the risk of default is very less because they are providing this to Indian Railway, which is part of Indian government. So again, that is a monopoly stock in the market because nobody else does that. The next in my list, number 9, is HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. They manufacture aircraft parts. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. They are existing since 1st October 1964. They manufacture various aerospace and defense products for India and for Indian Air Force, as you can see. So in that way, this is again a monopoly stock. Number 10 in my list is Hindustan Zinc. They have 100% market share in India's integrated silver manufacturing. Hindustan Zinc. So as you can see, they are one of the leading integrated silver producer. Let me tell you what this integrated silver is. Yeah. We are India's largest, one of the leading integrators of silver producers. They produce refined silver, recovered as a byproduct of zinc lead facility. Our high quality silver bullion have a minimum of purity 99.9% of silver. This silver metal finds application in various uses like for ornaments, for creating gifts, silver bars, coins, silverware, industrial fabrication also its use. They are also used for silver zinc or silver cadmium batteries, printed circuits and other applications. So in that way, it's again a part of Vedanta company. So they are again monopoly. So that's my list of great Indian monopolies. As a bonus, I will include an entire list and market share of all the companies that I know in the description box below. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.